Hello, my name is Shibu Saha, Professor of Surgery, Bioengineering, and College of Health Sciences. I'm also the Frank C. Spencer Endowed Chair of Surgery and past President of the Saha Foundation. I'm here today to present and recognize the 2020 Saha Patient-Centered Care Awards funded by the Saha Foundation. In 2017, the Saha Award for Patient-Centered Care, sponsored by the Saha Foundation, was established to honor the healthcare employees who exhibit a high sense of professionalism and a moral obligation to high-quality, patient-centered care. This foundation addressed this vital need within the UK healthcare that reflects better awareness and recognition focused around the patient-centered care.
So you might ask yourself, what is patient-centered care? The Institute for Patient and Family-Centered Care defines that as revolving specifically around respect and dignity, information sharing, participation, and collaboration with both patients and their families. It redefines the relationships in healthcare. Patient and family-centered care plays a vital role for families in ensuring the health and well-being of infants, children, adolescents, family members of all ages. This care acknowledges that emotional, social, and developmental support are integral components of healthcare. This care leads to better health outcomes and wiser allocation of resources, as well as greater patient and family satisfaction. The goal of this award is that we provide an opportunity to highlight and illustrate individuals within our healthcare system who are leading the way when it comes to patient-centered care.
The Saha Award for Patient-Centered Care is an annual award where winners are selected from the best of the patient-centered care stories submitted, and these individuals represent each of the designated categories of professional healthcare disciplines. Stories have been collected from the STAR program, recognition jackets, DAISY Award winners, and other avenues where employees have been identified as giving outstanding patient-centered care and living the UK healthcare direct values. These nominees have exhibited a high commitment to our patients, quality of care, and the UK healthcare direct values. The honorees will serve as an examples of excellent patient-centered care. We had a remarkable selection of nominees who demonstrated our values, inspired their colleagues, served as a role model, and positively impacted their department and organization. Each nominee had so many unique strengths and contributions that they bring to UK healthcare.
I'm happy to announce our 2020 Clinical and Administrative Staff Support winner is Thomas Tribble. Thomas is the Mechanical Circulatory Support Coordinator for the Gill Hart MCS Department. He's been with UK Healthcare for 11 years and just such a vital part of this team. He was nominated by 9 individuals, which is the most we've ever seen for a single individual. By Dr. Raj Malayala, Peter Rogers Fishel, Rebecca Phillip, Hassan Retta, Suresh Kejavamurthy, Aaron Harris, Sherry Griggs, Kristen Baker, and Alexandra Loving. His story on patient-centered care read, Thomas has always been an amazing example of each of these values. He is a quiet leader. He teaches the residents and team members, he cares for the sickest patients at UK, and creates innovative solutions to make treatment possible for them. Thomas was absolutely crucial in the development of the first ECMO transport team at UK Healthcare. He fosters teamwork and is an indispensable member of the team. He demonstrates excellence in all things. When asked how he contributes to patient-centered care and what it means to him, he stated, I am extremely grateful to be part of a dynamic team. The MCS department specializes in merging patient care with cutting-edge technology. It makes every day a challenge that I look forward to and serving my community and our patients is something I take pride in daily.
Our 2020 Ambulatory Clinic Staff Member winner is Jennifer Bell. Jennifer is the medical lab technician and pediatric specialist in the pediatric laboratory. She has been with UK Healthcare for almost 13 years, and she is a role model for her team and department. She was nominated by Pamela Lee Miller. Her story on patient-centered care read, "Jennifer is the silent heart of UK's pediatric laboratory. She is dedicated and is a team player who fully embraces each patient and each parent with love. She accepts everyone and is committed where she carries and models our core values. She serves as a true example of a model caregiver to our UK patients and their families. She has been innovative in helping to improve workflows and demonstrates all of our direct values here at UK Healthcare daily. I could not be prouder to have her on my team." When asked how she contributes to patient-centered care and what it means to her, she stated, "I love what I do. I strive to be able to make lab visits as easy as possible for all families, and being able to serve these children and their parents is the most rewarding part of my day and position."
Also happy to announce our 2020 Assistant Professor winner is Dr. Clark Lester. Clark is an assistant professor in the Department of Psychiatry. He splits his time between Eastern State Hospital and is a consult liaison psychiatry at Kentucky Children's Hospital. He completed both his residency and fellowship at UK and began with the department as an attending physician in 2018. He was nominated by Dr. Seth Himmelhoff. His story on patient-centered care read, "Clark always takes time to educate patients and their families. He collaborates and seeks treatment options that meet the needs of every individual impacted. He incorporates input from a multidisciplinary treatment team in their daily work, often including families, involvement, and feedback when considering treatment options. He respects and advocates for the patient's right to self-determination and treating all of our patients in unique ways." When asked how he contributes to patient-centered care and what it means to him, he stated, "It feels good to be recognized for simply doing what I was called to do as a physician. And secondly, the sacred patient-physician relationship is founded on trust between two humans, and being able to touch lives positively, both patients and families, is the most rewarding experience."
Our 2020 Clinical Care Nurse winner is Betsy Anderson. Betsy is a registered nurse for the 10th floor medicine ICU. She has been with UK Healthcare for 19 years. Betsy is an outstanding team player and a key part of her unit. She cares for her patients as if they were her family and inspires colleagues, patients, and their families. She was nominated via Daisy Award winners through a direct patient story. Her story on patient-centered care read, "Betsy cared for my dad like he was a king. She had a heart of gold and her approach was so drastically different. She not only took exceptional care of my dad, but also took care of me. She came in the room, held my hand, hugged me, cried with me, and was there for me. Betsy is extraordinary, and if there was ever a nurse that deserves to win an award, it would be her. I owe so much to her for those 2 days that she took care of us. She will never know how much she changed my life." When asked how she contributes to patient-centered care and what it means to her, she stated, "I try to treat my patients and their families in the same way I'd like my own family taken care of. I care for them deeply and want everyone to feel safe."
And we have a new category this year as of 2020. The Resident Fellow Award winner is Priya Shrivastava. Priya was a recent MedPeds resident in the Department of Medicine and Pediatrics for 4 years at UK Healthcare. She's been recognized for her remarkable patient care throughout her years with UK and is headed to San Francisco for her fellowship and will be missed dearly. She was a trailblazer, leader, and met UK's direct values on a daily basis. She was nominated by Dr. Jon Stewart. Her story on patient-centered care read, Priya developed enough rapport and demonstrated compassion and respect for her patients, which allowed for patients having successful treatments and experiences. When asked how she contributes to patient-centered care and what it means to her, she stated, I want to always be empathetic to my patients and their families' needs. I want to be able to connect with them and open up about my own experiences to make sure they always feel comfortable and ultimately know that we want to see all patients succeed. I hope that I can help assist families in finding comfort and peace during difficult times in their lives. Our patients' losses are our loss too. Being able to connect with our patients is key in successful recoveries and overall well-being. I am thankful to have been a part of the UK healthcare team.
We want to thank the generosity of the Saha family for creating this foundation, which is able to recognize like-minded healthcare providers annually through the Saha Award for Patient-Centered Care. This process was fueled by his own passion and commitment to excellent care and medical research to establish the Saha Foundation. We would also like to thank each individual for taking the time to nominate a person you felt was deserving of this award. These Saha Awards provide a wonderful opportunity for us to bring light to those quiet and unseen moments that our healthcare professionals dedicate to our patients. It allows for us to see what you all do each and every day. We were deeply moved by the compassion you showed our patients, and it makes us all very proud of the great work each of you have done. Our mission is to give outstanding patient-centered care, and you are living that mission. We wanted to extend our gratitude and congratulations through this special event. Thank you to everyone involved in this process, and we hope to continue recognizing these moments of patience and grace that make all the world of difference in our patients and their families' lives. We appreciate all that you do, and we will see you next year.